So this is what it's like to work in the Apple Vision Pro. So I pretty much have connected my laptop. I'll get out of immersive for a second here. So this is my laptop, and I'm gonna immerse myself. So I've pretty much displayed my laptop here in front of me. I have a Safari window open here. I have my messages open here. And if I really wanted to, I can open up some other apps. You know, if I wanted to watch the Super Bowl or whatever, I can watch a movie up here, do whatever I want, but I'm going to go ahead and close that screen. These are my apps, and as you can see, like my MacBook is here and my keyboard, but you can't actually see it in the immersive. Like if I come out, you can see it. But yeah, so like there's absolutely no lag here. I mean, I can also bring this a little closer. The closer it gets, the clearer it is. I can put it out further. I can close all my messages. I can make the screen bigger. Like this is massive at this point, right? And the quality is absolutely amazing. I can open up Discord. I could do. You can literally use this as this is like theater size right now. But anyways, I don't like how big it is, so I'm gonna personally make it smaller. You can also move this wherever. But yeah, I could definitely like sit down and work like this. Personally, I think it's awesome. Can I have it all day long? I don't think so. But yeah, let me know what else you guys want to see.